Me so them have recording for Gracie, what them a go play. Me hear say una have recording for me Gracie, what una go play me a wait. But still a wait pound for carry record come on have for me. Come in know if una have recording so long, and I hold them back for now. When I hold them back, when I release them. Me I play everything when me and me not play everything, but me I play what me have. So me know when I hold back mine. When I have secret for me, I recording for me. So I release them. Release them. Me not stay long. Me hear me go wash. Cause me have a life. Them have recording for me. Me I wait upon them for release them. When I have proof and evidence for some me and Laurie and this friend I can't tell the look dirty people and what it says. I said, me a Judas and me a this and me a that. And she have things from Gracie if it take she and Gracie and the woman and the friend, release them. Mama Reve, release them. Release them. What you waiting on? What you waiting on with the evidence for some me and the lady was friend? Release them, lady. Of course, me say upon my life one night, and me I look for it last time for play it back on the ears, and me never get it. Me say it. Me say the woman record everybody. Lorian try set up everybody for record them. But she couldn't catch me. Because anything me say in the public, I that me say to Lorian on the phone. Because me not two-faced. Anybody want to say Gracie, yes, sir? I me are the same person when me there behind the face. Me not two-faced, hypocritical, something go behind people back and talk, and me see them, me not say nothing. Me not depend that with nobody. Of course, Lorraine take advice to me, I say me take one side. I'm one-sided. And Planka never ran for me yet. And of course, me cuss Planka them sometime. Some of them. Everybody who have followed me long time knows that me cuss them sometime. Some of them, when they mix up troublemaking one them, the problem one them, me cuss them enough time, me cuss them. So if I that, Lorraine I have to release, she release it, because that's not a secret. How Gracie always do. That is what Gracie always do. So anybody who have followed me long time knows that me ever tell them my mind. So me don't know if that's the secret where she and the lady of a party have. Me don't know if she and the lady of a party have, you know. But on the release, if hurry up, me I wait pound now. I'm waiting on you to come and release one to have. Yeah. But I release one up before I release it. But me release one to the half. Me I look feet last night. And me tell you, me I look feet last night because the vice one never start out good. Me start it out. But me, Gracie, release one half. One sound half pan Gracie before una release it. Alright? Me I gotta do the favor. Because I'm not gonna find it, you know. But it's what me have it. If it's what me have it, me I gotta play it. Me I gotta play it. So lady from Porty, come feed, sit here. Me I gotta play it. And anybody who have followed me a long time, tell me if Gracie said no, where she would have said to her, or where she never said to her in a public yet. Tell me if Gracie said anything where she would have tell her, or she never tell her in a public yet. Tell me when me don't play it. Yeah. Since the lady from our party have it, me and Lorraine are the friend. When sins. And one time I call a Lorraine program and I cuss me because one girl over there that call my name. Ask her in front of me or behind me. And the record where you play today with Dwayne, he call over there one time. I said, Dwayne, you should never take Lorraine program platform for cuss Planka people. And him say, Gracie, me not business, me ignorant for me say, Dwayne, I better this start alive. I'll wait until me go live, then you call in. Ask him if me never said that to him. And I was so disappointed in that Dwayne. I said, Dwayne, that wrong. You should have never take the platform that for cuss them. And him said, Gracie, me not business, me head chip, me ignorant. I said, Dwayne, to each his own. But you should never, ever Lorraine sent me a voice note. And she said, Gracie, the next time never rang for you yet. And you come out and say you don't want nobody discriminate woman and them something there. And you not talk on the two sides. So me not say what the woman there from down a Port she. How where she come from? Where she come from today? Eh? One thing, if Lorraine didn't have anything with Gracie and chat Misty, she have put you a long time. And I ask no question upon that. Either I have to release. The amount of sin thing me do to Lorraine. If she didn't have nothing with Gracie and chat Misty, it have to come out long time. It don't have to come out. Me don't know one son upon me. And Misty herself knows if Gracie have a problem with her. I should do nothing me not like me, I go tell her. And me I call her and tell her too. Me not have her number, me I call Paula number, me I go say, me talk to Misty. And me I go say Misty and Gracie. And me never like when you say that. All she herself knows say. Me not have to go behind her back go say what me I say. Me call her and say it. And I'm not supposed to know too. Can't say she come from her life. Gracie from over YouTube call me and say she never like what me say. The blogger them sticker, me bowl and play like that. Me not beat round bush. Like me and hate me. And me that. If you hate me, you hate me. If you like me, you like me. Me not gonna pretend. Me not gonna pretend. Me tell planka people them all the while. I don't somehow we no count not trouble. It's trouble, somehow not trouble. I'm talking all the while. The first time YouTube take my monetization and give me a month for break, somehow team up together and report my YouTube channel. I always say it. Lorraine, me always say it. That depend enough public video. Enough live for Gracie though, it depend it. Because Gracie not hide that. Gracie not hypocrite. Me tell her what you say. What me tell you? I don't know if you're the lady when they saw work together, I know. I don't know if you're the lady when they saw work together. And she said something upon Gracie. She not have nothing upon me. Let me tell you, you not call me now. You not call me now. I don't have time for talk now. I don't have time for talk now. No. It's not time for talk. I time for release something. I time for release what them say them have upon me. Because nothing upon me. Nothing have upon me. Nothing at all have upon me. Alright, we release one this one have for me. Alright, it's a conversation I know.
Yeah man, them have vomit. That's all them to go around and make mischief, but it's she.
Wait, then I start this so. Wait. I don't want to play the wrong things by you, so let me be careful now. And someone want to hear things that I not release, so I just want to say I go over Gracie platform and hear it. Because you see, me not keeping no life later. Me just address this and I'm going to say it again. I'm in a business. Big yard over YouTube and that's my business. That's my production. And I make money off of. And you not even bring big yard got 10,000 views. But the mix up video them when I bring got 30 and 40,000. I don't business who are vex. From morning, me soon in the comment section of vent, but I'm going to say it again. Me no response. I don't care. Who want vex and don't watch Gracie again, that's how it go. My long time followers, them who understand and know who Gracie is, big up for yourself, wait.
You ever call me and I never talk?
Not that. We don't want the one they know, the one that we are playing.
Them that the question I got.
Not that neither. Yeah man, we'll get it right.
Hi Gracie.
Yeah.
At work. But me sending the voice note here.
Yeah, go on.
He said, lady, female panel will not discriminate anybody. But who is the queen for that? How much time you hear Dana or vomit them and plank shit them, discriminate people? Me not believe in it. Me keep it at charity. At charity me a talk about. You understand? I don't control nobody who call. Me not scream a call. Me not tell nobody if you call in. And me not set up the call. whatever people call in and say, I feel like stop them and say, no, don't discriminate. We're not going to start charity with it. On the ear when people say, Laurie and you not say nothing, we will talk. We can't control that. One time in a Dana life, don't you hear she discriminate me? What if me bleach? Me no beg Dana no cream. Me no beg Dana collect no donation for give me no cream. Dana have a charity, yes. Me give her respect for use her phone, and me never do it. Me not lose sleep over people money. But you know things that people have the right to say what they want to say or do what they want to do, as long as they not do it in a disrespectful way. When you ever hear my class, they not decide yet. One time when you hear share class, I'm supposed me to go out. What they have violence, she bring it in, I know. She started to say she ring off people neck. And if I did one time she ring off neck, then I can't ring off my neck. Then I don't know who me is. No girl no beat me, you know. No girl no beat me. I treat somebody beat me in a life. And I won't fight me fight. And I treat somebody and my brother, my mother, and my baby father. Nobody else. So all she preach violence, all she for discriminate people, and me no hear nobody a stop her. Life on the one-sided, we not split it right down the cross.
Alright. When you hear one advice note, right? What was she doing in the advice note? You know done yet, you know? Complaining. Gracie, you're one-sided. Gracie, one set never wrong for you yet. Come we go back in the advice note, me love. Come, me love, come. Come with Terry. You know we at the come so come up and me here for go wash that salt out today.
Split it right down where it lie. Then I can send out everybody or anybody. And it plain. Why has the woman come out, come cost me? She run past. I've never collected money on Facebook. I mean, I want to have a wonderful one. Right? And she sent me a blog. I'm supposed to blog. When my mother did, she never won a house. We never know me that I won a house.
No, don't call me. Do not call me.
Never won a house. We never know me that I won a house. Tell me 1 4. I'm supposed to brag. So if it have mad them, it have mad them. Because I'm not stop brag. Because my name frightened. I'm supposed to brag when me come in a foreign. The same day my visa.
What is, man? Stop calling me. Them dirty in there, man.
Expire, my visiting visa expire. I make top myself to be an American citizen. So I'm supposed to brag how God good to me. You understand? People is too biased. I want somebody to get on Facebook. When they start, they report your page. They can get taken down. Facebook block you. Eh? Look what Marcia do for Dana. Look. Me a show.
Wait, let me block the number here, guys. Wait. Now, this is who this person be. Me I go block them. But I don't want a real person. Me I block you right now because sure me can't go and block this right now. Wait.
Look what Marcia do.
Wait there, guys. I have to block the number here. Give me a minute. Sure. Every time I try block him, I can't block it. Wait there, guys. I have to block the number here first. Block.
Marcia and Dana are friends. Marcia send Dana with her money, but put on in a go in a hotel. Treat her. And Dana say people are tear down that lady and she would have never come out come stop it. Dana not in a position for class nobody. Dana is dirty. Very dirty. And so she a Christian. Me never tell nobody say me a Christian, you know. I acknowledge God and know that there's a God and him is real. And bless my soul and him bless my life and him bless me with a good family. You understand? I talk about charity. Me no business who she want to take because she not take my man. None of my man who no want Dana. You understand? And my man not take big people. You understand? Dana can't class me. Oh, Dana for class me. Dana dirty. Dana look dirty. Same like how she a class me. Me a discriminate her back. Yeah, she first start there. She go there so. Me did have it at charity. And she carried this so she dirty. And me a beg a plate on the life. Dana dirty. Dana want beard. I bet if Dana that, you know why she not bleed?
Alright, them say me a Lauren is friend. Them say me a Lauren is friend. My number is a public number. And what it anytime Lauren come to Gracie, it wasn't anything personal to say. Me and her friend, I was to say, play it on the live. Most of the time, does Gracie play it on her live? I don't have time for that. Most of the time, I do not play it on my live. Come we go down and mix up. Because that's when I say, we don't have things for me now. I used to chat, Miss D, with the L lady and me a Judas. Someone wants to show me which part they are Judas. If me was Judas, I would not release certain things because I know it's like a fire back. If me that talk things about Miss D, I know it's like a fire back in my face. So why would I release things and I know them I come back and release what Gracie did say? Me an idiot? There's nothing that that lady have that I have not spoken in public. There's nothing that she can bring out and say Gracie said, which Gracie have not spoken in public. So me I put this one in a hole on the smoke, in a hole on the pipe today, and make them smoke it. Because a long time I have it for say, Gracie and the L lady are friend. And when Miss Dia say, me go along Gracie with the content, me go for the shop there. For Miss D shop. And me see much on the comment section, Gracie a hypocrite, Miss D. Gracie chatting with the L lady, I don't have no evidence. I want to hold on to bring out the whole of the evidence before Gracie and shame me to them. I finish play me a play. So hold on to bring it up before me and shame me to them since me and I used to chat Miss D. And if she didn't have something like that for me, you don't think she'd have played it? You don't think she'd have bring it out? Hold on, an idiot here.
I try her skin, her black, rusty. It never go come. You should say she used by her eye. It now go come, it rusty, stubborn, then a black at some stubborn black. Them black then no come easy. So if you have them cool black that when you put on your nice cream, it take your face. You understand? Me no beg Dana money to buy my cream. Me no beg Dana nothing. And me wanna beg Dana because I never have a disgraceful road. I work for mine. What kind of success Dana have? Any success she have by charity.
Alright, Lauren, enough of what you say. That's what Gracie said. That's what Gracie said. You listen good. What on the put it on the pipe and smoke it. All I want to know Gracie said, put this on the pipe and smoke it. And tell me if I know this one, I said behind the back. But me never say front on his head. Put this on the pipe and smoke it.
Now y'all on the Lorient. So I call you, say where we come out with Dana. Lorient, to be honest, I thought this all the while from my life, and Blanca people, none of them not take me.
I'm not taking me for sure.
That's why I not follow them and go in a people argument. Because some of the Blanca, them only come from my platform to use it to talk things. Them are really fans of me, because the talk before the first 30 days I get from YouTube a Blanca, them team up family. So, when people have said Gracie I take Blanca side, we never take Blanca side, and we never take nobody's side. We just talk right in the middle, that's just a meaning. Just talk my mind. And I never say you, and if you listen good at you, when I step on the live, I say, my ear when she...
Wait, baby, what Gracie said. Gracie share. Come, Gracie, you.
Tell the caller, say, don't discriminate on our program. And that me hear when you tell the caller that. So no, where was I saying Lorien did wrong? I never did say you wrong. I start too, because me run talk show sometimes people call in for my life. Sometimes people say things out of proportion too. You can't come to Gracie, but at the end of the day on my platform. So people are still so about Gracie them hear it. I just say something today.
Alright. So understand? This is what I always say. Me not take no side. Me not the pan no side. Me the right in the middle. Any YouTube people over here, sir, Can't talk for Gracie tonight. Today, is there anything on that voice note that Gracie have not said in public? I mean, when you have it. Anyone on can tell me say there's anything that Gracie have not said in public? Me when you have me. Me will take care. All I want me say it in a public all the time. So tell me now, tell me. Tell me, where you see me chat Miss D? My cuss somebody mix up followers and my follow all the while. I bet only can't say that. I bet only tell me say me cuss some of my followers them a troublemaker and problem. So when people have a plank shop, they no nice. And she talk it all the while, so I saw some of them stay. My cuss the followers them, of course Gracie deep up on the nasty them sometime. When them come and them get on top of my nerves, me not see them sometime. Of course, me not see some of the followers them. But where you have the evidence and the proof and the things them for come say, Gracie the chatness tea. Come now bring it come. When I bring it come. I want to see it. Can I have your